Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Bestech Engine. This model features a 2.3-inch CPM S35 VN blade. It's about 5.75 inches overall. Definitely more of your compact size. Perfect for an EDC. I really like the little bit of jimping that they put on there for a nice choke up for more accurate and precise cutting. It's got a nice titanium frame lock, as well as the entire back scale being titanium, as well as the clip. It's got a carbon fiber front, kind of that marbled, I guess more of a standard carbon fiber. Weighs at a nice 2.5 ounces as well. A little bit of an aggressive detent on there, but really nice. Bestech is definitely making a name for themselves and doing really good. So make sure to get your new Bestech today at Blade Ops.